Okay, today we'll be opening up this used gold Napa oil filter, number 1372. And a viewer whose name is Phil from Grand Rapids, Michigan, sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Phil. This filter was in service for 10,000 miles and came off a vehicle similar to the one pictured in the video, a 2020 Ford F-59. Yep, the one with a 7.3-liter gas V8 engine. Phil's a manager of a fleet of delivery trucks and says all his trucks get 10,000-mile oil changes. Let's open this filter up and see how it did. So let's get started.
This is up for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration here.
Okay, let's take a quick look at this filter before we open it up. Look at the date code 030421C3. And right here it says made in USA. 6 inlet holes. Looks like a silicone drain bag valve. Metal core with holes. Bypass valve down below. And a nitro rubber gasket. Okay, I'll put that to the side for now. And let's cut this filter open and see what it looks like. Ooh, nice black oil. Okay, what do we got here? Put this to the side. A lot of oil. I tried draining some out too and it didn't come out, I guess. Silicone drain back valve sticking right on there. I'll have to clean it off, but it all looks good. It's got a good spring to it. Yeah, okay, filter element. Pretty oily. I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. And this is a enhanced cellulose media with a micron rating of 99% at 23 microns. Bypass valve down here, which has a setting of 22 psi. Metal end caps. Let's see if we see anything out of the ordinary here. Well, it looks good. Pleats are nicely spaced. Yeah. No tears. Looks clean. No excess glue. I can't see the seam. I think it's right there. Okay, that looks good. Coil spring. The oil is really dark, but actually it don't look too bad. Look at it, it's got a nice tint to it. That's pretty nice. Phil's using a Performance Plus Safety Clean Oil. It's a diesel oil, 15W40. Alright, let's get some measurements. See if I can measure this can. It's pretty oily. 0.45 millimeters thick. Not bad. .25 inches wide. Yeah, this all looks pretty nice. Okay, let me cut this filter open. Squeeze it out, stretch it out. See what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, here's this filter media all stretched out. And this filter is 77 inches long. Okay, so let's measure the thickness on this filter media. 0.76 millimeters thick. So get it up close. This is the filtering side. It's the back side. This filter is really dirty throughout the whole filter. Let's look at it under a microscope. You'll see what I mean. So as you can see, the light even has a hard time getting through this filter. Picked up a lot of dirt and it's inside of it. Or else there's still some dirty oil left in there. But if you look on the outside of this filter, let's look at it real quick. There's like no soot. It's really clean. There's no sparklies. I'd say whatever dirt there was, it just went right into the filter and the filter soaked it up. Yeah, it's pretty clean. And let's look at the rest of the filter. So we got the center core here. This is all good. Holes, nice and smooth here. And this is well put together. This ain't coming apart too easily. I was trying to pull it apart, but it's held together really good. Yeah, that's all good. It's got a coil spring, silicone drain back valve, which is, see, it's just like it's new. Gasket held up okay. Everything's fine with this. A little flat on this one side. Probably that's the block. Must have been going on the block side. Base plate. Yeah, it's got a lot of grooves. So it's got a lot of threads there. Nice inlet holes. All looks good, and the can's nice. About average thickness. So overall, I think this is a pretty good oil filter. It's got a pretty good micron rating too, 99% at 23 microns. So what do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Phil for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.